everybody, thanks for watching again. It's another day in the life of Dan, and today we're going to do a little project that I want. My girls have 3 kayaks, and every now and then it's nice to have a tow rope capability, and it's always good to have a little rope with some sort of hook on it for these boats. And today we're going to build or put together 3 probably about 20-foot ropes. Let me show you. This is some poly rope. This is glow in the dark, which is really good stuff. Fluorescent material can be recharged as needed, but it's good for trip hazards. It's good just for high visibility stuff. This is a Harbor Freight thing, 100 feet, and it's a 95-pound load, so not incredibly heavy duty, but enough for what I want. And then I just have these spring links or carabiner looking things, but what we'll do is tie a nice little Palomar knot on each one of these. Measure this out to be about 3 20-foot segments and keep 40 feet for some other project someday. But we'll tie these together and secure them to the kayaks. Alright, as I laid out my tape measure, I saw that 15 feet is probably good enough for these, and this will let us tie up around the rope on the side of the little rivers we kayak, or to attach to each other. And one thing about this rope, it is glow in the dark, but we're going to have to melt these at the end of them because they're turning to poof right away when I cut them. Otherwise, pretty cool. I like the glow in the dark bit. And each one's going to be about 15 feet. Let's go tie knots. Okay, the knot we're going to use is just a real simple one, a Palomar knot on the big hooks. Double this up, send it through. Maybe make it a little bit longer. Granny knot on top. And try to pull the hook through this loop. There you go, and we'll cinch it down. Trim the excess, and actually probably burn the excess to keep it from fraying. Super strong, super simple. 6 more times. Okay, all done. 3 15, 16-foot type cords. Big clip, little clip, 95-pound cord that is glow in the dark. So a fun little project for the kayaks. All done. We'll stow these on their boats and be ready to go hit the water. Thanks for watching.